Welcome to another episode of Alreflections Podcast, where we explore insights, strategies, and stories that help you level up in life, work, and everything in between. Today we're diving into something super practical and exciting, powerful side hustles for making money online. Whether you are looking to make extra cash or you are considering turning your side hustle into a full-time venture, we've got you covered. I'll walk you through some of the most effective ways to build your online income from scratch or scale it to new heights. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. Why should you consider an online side hustle? Well, for starters, the internet opens up countless opportunities. You're not limited by geography, and often, you don't need a huge upfront investment. With the right hustle, you can start earning today, from the comfort of your home or anywhere you have a good Wi-Fi connection. Now, the key to choosing the right side hustle for you is understanding your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can dedicate. Some side hustles require more technical knowledge, while others are great for beginners. The best part? Many of them can grow into full-fledged businesses if you put in the effort. Let's jump into a few of the top side hustles that are making waves online right now. I'm talking about hustles that not only work but are sustainable and profitable. First up, freelance writing or content creation. If you've got a way with words, freelance writing might be the perfect side hustle for you. Whether it's blog posts, articles, website copy, or even social media content, companies and entrepreneurs are constantly looking for skilled writers. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn can help you connect with clients who need content. The beauty of writing is that it's versatile. You can specialize in niches that you are passionate about, whether that's finance, travel, health, or technology, and build a portfolio that reflects your expertise. And the best part? It's incredibly flexible. You can work around your own schedule: early mornings, late nights, weekends. As long as you meet deadlines, you're good to go. Next, affiliate marketing. This one is huge. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone buys through your referral link. The cool thing about it is you don't have to create anything yourself, and you don't have to deal with customer service. Your job is just to recommend products that you believe in. How do you get started? You can build a blog, YouTube channel, or even an Instagram account around a specific niche like tech, fitness, beauty, or personal finance and share affiliate links in your content. Some great places to find affiliate programs are Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. The more authentic and engaging your content, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and buy through your links. Next on the list, online courses and digital products. Got a skill or knowledge you're passionate about? You can create online courses or digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it easy to upload and sell courses on just about any topic, whether that's cooking, photography, personal finance, or even something niche like video editing or graphic design. The best part about online courses is that they can provide a steady stream of passive income once they're up and running. You create the content once, and after that, people can keep buying and learning at their own pace. And if you're not into video courses, you can also sell ebooks, templates, printables, or other digital downloads. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about print-on-demand businesses for a second. This is one of the easiest ways to sell physical products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. With print-on-demand, you create custom designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and then when someone places an order, the product is printed and shipped for you. You don't need to touch any of the products or deal with fulfillment. All you have to do is focus on creating cool designs and promoting them. You can use platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble to get started. It's a pretty low-risk business model, and you can scale it up as you gain more customers. Plus, it's an easy hustle to run while you work on other projects. Another great online hustle? Virtual assistants. If you're organized and good at managing tasks, becoming a virtual assistant might be a good fit. Many small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even busy professionals need help with everything from scheduling appointments to managing emails and customer service. You can offer administrative support remotely, and the best part is, you can work for clients from all over the world. Platforms like Belay, Upwork, or even LinkedIn are great places to find virtual assistant gigs. This side hustle is also flexible in terms of time, and you can grow into specialized roles like social media management, project coordination, or even helping businesses with their customer service. Lastly, we have online consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, whether it's fitness, business, marketing, career advice, or even something more niche, you can start offering consulting or coaching services. With platforms like Zoom or Skype, it's easy to connect with clients virtually. You can start by offering one-on-one sessions or even group coaching programs. If you're an expert in something and enjoy helping others succeed, this is a side hustle that not only makes money but can be incredibly fulfilling. It requires building a personal brand and promoting your services online, but once you get started, you will find that people are willing to pay for your expertise. So, there you have it, 6 powerful side hustles that can help you make money online. From freelance writing to virtual assisting, print on demand to online courses, there are plenty of ways to get started and scale your hustle. Remember, the key to success in any of these is consistency, focus, and passion. Start small, experiment, and see what works for you. With the right mindset and the right hustle, you can turn your side gig into a steady source of income. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Alreflections Podcast. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. I'd love to hear what side hustles you're thinking about trying. Connect with me on social media or shoot me an email, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Keep hustling, keep reflecting, and keep growing. See you next time.